Hello and welcome to another video in the Rush Insurance Agency educational series of videos. Today is the last day of Life Insurance Awareness Month, and we're answering the question, when is it a good time to buy life insurance? Of course, this answer will be different for everybody, so I'll give you just a couple different scenarios. Consider your pre-teen child or grandchild. If, as the parent, you purchase term life insurance on yourself, you can simply add a $25,000 child rider to that policy for just a few dollars a month. This will then cover the child until age 18 and provide essentially burial coverage expenses. But you or a grandparent could consider a permanent whole life policy on your young child. A $100,000 whole life policy for a 10-year-old will cost about $66 a month or $800 a year if paid in full in 20 years. And there's options to have it paid off even sooner than that. This provides permanent insurance, whole life, follows them their whole life with a reasonable death benefit amount for an amount that is attainable for most. Another scenario, this is my scenario. When Teresa and I were first married, we met our agent at Panera to buy our first term life policies. We bought 200,000 5-year term policies. Very small amount to start, but every 5 years, the premium went up. Most recently, I was paying $90 a month for a $200,000 5-year term policy. So I had the opportunity to replace that with a $250,000 20-year term policy for about two-thirds the cost, or $60 a month. Of course, while I was at Allstate, I had group life insurance, enough where I often caught Teresa watching those various murder documentaries. But that insurance mostly vanished when I left Allstate. So I would say buy as much as you can afford while you're young, check up on that while you age, and know you may want to replace or add to an existing policy as you get older, especially while you're still relatively healthy. Of course, there's much more to life insurance than this. If you feel that you may not have enough coverage or the right coverage, then we should have a quick conversation. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.